want a future-ready automation system?
Are you looking for high-quality machinery at a reasonable price?
Worried about after-service support for your business?
Are you looking for reliable advice for your new business? Here we introduce Akshar Industries.
Akshar Industry is a manufacturing company for the process industry. With 30 plus years of experience and over 2000 plus clients, Akshar Industry has been dominating the industry for decades.
Various certifications make us an authentic and trustworthy brand in dairy industry, pharma, chemicals, beverages, and in the food industries.
The product range includes different machines like continuous freezer, fruit feeder, ice cream mixing plant, milk pasteurizing plant, ice cream cone and cup filling machine.
Akshar Industry provides different services like installation, consultancy, calibration, maintenance of machine, and spare part support.
Akshar Industry name synonym with quality, trust and customer satisfaction. The mission is to provide the highest quality product possible by their dedicated employees and promoting business practices so that customers can easily evolve. The vision of the company is to be a global leader in ice cream machinery and dairy processing plant, respected for the quality of the products and services.
Akshar Industry makes its footprint in Rajasthan, Kashmir, UP, Bangalore, Goa, Maharashtra, Kerala, MP, Assam, and several other states. They also built their global presence in the countries like Nepal and Canada.
They help customers to differentiate themselves in a highly competitive industry by following a standard process. Understanding customer needs, develop customized solutions, quality assurance and testing, delivery and installation.
Akshar Industry is the exact company you could have wished for to launch your business.
It is a proudly made in India company. So, when would you contact them for your future-ready automation system?